Hook, have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like there's a never-ending sea of bills, subscriptions, and expenses that just keep piling up? Context, we've all been there. It's a common struggle that can leave us feeling stressed, anxious, and unsure of where our money is going. That's where Rocket Money comes in. Main question, but what exactly is Rocket Money, and how can it help you take control of your finances? Introducing Rocket Money. Rocket Money is a personal finance app designed to simplify your financial life. It's like a financial superhero that helps you identify hidden fees, cancel unwanted subscriptions, and negotiate better deals. Key features of Rocket Money. Subscription Tracker. Rocket Money automatically scans your accounts to find recurring charges, helping you identify subscriptions you may have forgotten about or no longer need. Bill Negotiation. The app can negotiate with your service providers to get you better deals on your bills, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars each year. Credit Monitoring. Rocket Money offers a free credit monitoring service to help you keep an eye on your credit score and identify any suspicious activity. Financial Insights. The app provides personalized insights into your spending habits, helping you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. How Rocket Money works. Connect your accounts. To get started, simply connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts to Rocket Money. Identify savings opportunities. The app will analyze your financial data to identify potential savings opportunities, such as subscriptions you can cancel or bills you can negotiate. Take action. Rocket Money provides step-by-step instructions and tools to help you take action, whether it's canceling a subscription or negotiating a better deal. Real-life examples. John, I was shocked when I saw how much I was spending on subscriptions I didn't even use. Rocket Money helped me cancel several of them, saving me hundreds of dollars a year. Maria, I used Rocket Money to negotiate a lower rate on my cable bill. I saved $20 a month, which adds up over time. Benefits of using Rocket Money. Save money by identifying hidden fees, canceling unwanted subscriptions, and negotiating better deals. Rocket Money can help you save significant amounts of money. Reduce stress. Having a clear understanding of your finances can help reduce stress and anxiety. Improve your credit score. By monitoring your credit and taking steps to improve your financial habits, Rocket Money can help you improve your credit score. Is Rocket Money right for you? If you're looking for a way to simplify your finances, save money, and reduce stress, Rocket Money is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a retiree, the app can provide valuable insights and tools to help you take control of your financial future. Conclusion. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to have a solid grasp of your finances. Rocket Money is a powerful tool that can help you achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. So, what are you waiting for? Give Rocket Money a try and see how it can transform your financial life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.